Hi viewers, welcome to this session. Today we are going to solve the problem on cost sheet. We will see the problem from the following information for the month of January. Prepare a cost sheet to show the following components: A. Prime cost, B. Factory cost, C. Cost of production, D. Total cost. After learning cost sheet pro forma, we will start solving the problems by using the based upon existed pro forma which we have learned in the last classes. We will start solving the problem. First we need to draft the cost sheet format. So we have to draw the lines for the cost sheet. The lines is like this. Cost sheet. So here cost sheet for the month of Jan. For the month of Jan, here it is particulars rupees. The particulars we need to write all the components of cost. First we will start with the direct material. Direct material is 57,000 rupees. Direct wages 28,500 rupees. Is there any other direct expenses in the given problem? Let's see. Factory rent rates goes to factory overheads. Office goes to office overhead. Plant comes under factory. Plant depreciation comes under factory. This is also factory. This is also factory. This is going to be under office. Director's remuneration goes to office. Telephone and postage office. Print and stationery office. Legal charges office. Advertisement, sales and distribution. Salesman salaries, sales and distribution. Showroom rent, sales and distribution. And final item is sales. So there is no another expense comes under direct expenses. So we need to add these two. Then it comes 500 rupees. 8 5 plus 7 15 1 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 85,500 rupees. This is called as prime cost. This is called as prime cost. After finding out the prime cost, we need to add factory overheads. Factory overheads. What all comes under factory overheads? First, factory rent and rates. Factory rent and rates. This is 2,500 rupees. Plant repairs and maintenance. Plant repairs and maintenance. Plant repairs and maintenance 1,000 rupees. Next, plant depreciation. Plant depreciation is 1,250. Next, factory heating and lighting, factory heating and lighting, factory heating and lighting, 400 rupees. Factory manager salary, factory manager's salary, that is 2000 rupees. Next, office salaries. So these are the expenses comes under factory overhead. Again we have to add all these expenses and posted into the outer column. 0, 5, 5, 7, 11, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7,150 rupees. And again we need to add all these expenses, total put together 650 plus 85 plus 7, 92,650 rupees. This is called as factory cost. After finding out the factory cost, we have to note down the office and administrative overheads. Office and administrative overheads. Office and administrative expenses. Office and administrative expenses. Under the office and administrative expenses, what all comes under? Office salaries. Office salaries. Office salaries is how much? It is 1600 rupees. 1600. Next is director's remuneration. Director's remuneration. Director's remuneration. Director's remuneration is 1500. Director's remuneration 1500. Telephone and postage 200. Telephone and postage 200. After telephone and postage, office rent and rates. Office rent and rates. Office rent and rates, this is 500 rupees. Next, printing and stationery. Printing and stationery. Printing and stationery is 100. Legal charges. Legal charges. Legal charges. Legal charges is 150. So remaining expenses comes under sales and distribution expense overheads. So we need to add this office and administrative expenses and put it into the outer column. 0, 5, 2, 7, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4050 rupees. 4050 rupees. Add 92,650. 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 96,700 rupees. 96,700 rupees. This is called as cost of production. This is called as cost of production. Cost of production. Next is selling and distribution overheads. Selling and distribution overheads. Here we have to note down selling and distribution expenses. Selling and distribution expenses. Under selling and distribution expenses, what all comes under, just we have to see the problem. We already discussed about these sales expenses. Here the advertisement, salesman salaries, showroom rent, these three comes under selling and distribution expenses. Advertisement, how much is given advertisement? Advertisement is 1500 rupees. We need to write advertisement. Advertisement. Advertisement is 1500 rupees. Salesman salaries. Salesman salaries is 2500. Showroom rent is 500. So all the expenses are taken into the solution, and we have to add these expenses and post it into the outer column. So this is 2000, 3000, 4000, 4500 rupees. 4500 rupees selling and distribution total expenses. All put together we have to add 7 plus 5, 12, 200, 1, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 1. 1,01,200 rupees is our total cost or cost of sales. Total cost or cost of sales. This is our total cost or cost of sales. Next we have to add the profit, because in the problem it is given sales value is given. So here what we need to do is we have to find the difference between sales value and to the cost of sales. That becomes, the sales value is given in the problem is 1,16,000 rupees. So sales is equals to 1,16,000 How much is given? 1,16,000 rupees is given. Total cost is 1,01,200 rupees. Then what is the difference between these two? That difference between these two becomes profit. Profit. How can you find out the profit? Here 0, 0, 0, again 0, 2, here the 0. So again add 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here, 1 left. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, it becomes 6. So 0, here it is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Here is 1, here is 1. No need to add anything. So the difference between these two becomes 14,800 rupees. That means what I have done is sales is 1,16,000 rupees minus total cost is 1,01,200 rupees. So 10 minus 2, 800. 5 minus 1, 4. So here 11. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So the difference between these two is 14,800 rupees. You can do like this, or otherwise you can do it directly. How I have done. This is the way we need to solve the cost sheet problems. In the next session, we will meet with another problem in the cost sheet. Thank you. Thank you for watching.